Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some Easter DIYs. It's going to be a lot of fun as always. You're going to want to grab the kids for these DIYs. All of these products can be found from the Dollar Tree. So don't forget to check the description box for a full list of what I'll be using today. Let's go ahead and get started. So first you'll take some hot glue and add it to the center of the flower that's already on the totes. And then you're going to take 3 of your flowers and place them right on top of those flowers there. And here's what it will look like once you laid your flowers down. Next, what I'm going to do is just take some of these leaves and cut them off and add them in between the flowers. I'm just going to place them in the position I want them to be in, and then I'll add hot glue to them. So here's where I want my leaves to go in at. I'm going to add some hot glue to them. Isn't that so cute? It just makes it pop out a whole lot more, and you can stop here if you want to. But next I'm going to take some of these stickers and I'm going to make a cross right on the front of the purse. So I just took one of the leaves that I had right here off. I'm going to add my cross to the center of the tote, and then I'll add the leaf afterwards. So next I'll take my pink pearls and I'm going to take about 3 rows over and cut down the middle. And then I'm going to take about 1, 2, 3 rows up and cut that. So I will use this row to add to the side of the cross, and I'll just take another row and cut 3 over and 3 in. So that's what the cross will look like. I'm going to go ahead and remove each row and add it to the totes. So here's what the tote looks like. This is super cute. I love it. I just went ahead and I added a row of the half pearls to the center and then 3 rows of them to both sides to make the cross. So I'm going to show you how to custom make the hat as well. Let's go ahead and do that. So here's the hat. I love it. It's already really cute and simple, but we're going to make this fabulous. So I'm going to again take 3 of my smaller roses and add them to this section here, and then I'm going to take some of the half pearls, the pink ones, and place them all the way around. You'll follow the same process. You'll add some hot glue to your flower, and then just simply place your flowers on top. I'm going to follow the same steps and cut some of these leaves off. Then I'm going to place them where I want them to go on the hat. Then add some hot glue to secure them down. So here's what the hat looks like. Super cute. I love it. You can leave it like this if you want to. I'm going to take some of the pearls and add them to the little headband part that's right here. So here's what the hat will look like once you added the pearls all the way around. Super cute. I wanted to keep it simple still. You can add more or less. It's totally up to you. So that the headband won't move around, I'm going to add a couple beads of the hot glue down to the hat. And just make sure that the headband is even before you go ahead and glue it down. So here's the finished product for the hat as well as the tote. These are so cute. Your daughter would absolutely love these. You're going to want to recreate these. I will have everything listed in the description box, but these are adorable. Do you guys like them? I hope you do. Please comment below, okay? So next I'm going to show you how to make a really cute little Easter bunny centerpiece thing, okay? Let me go ahead and show you how to do that. So next I'm going to show you how to make a centerpiece out of this really adorable bunny bucket that I got from the Dollar Tree. It has little feet and everything on it. You'll also be needing some floral foam. This is the circular one. You can also get this from Dollar Tree. I'm going to first glue this down to the center of my Easter basket. So you're going to flip the Easter basket over on top of the floral foam and then add the hot glue all the way around it. So next I'm just going to take some of these really beautiful pink flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut the stems. I cut them on some of them but not on all of them, so I'm going to cut them about 2 inches down. So in total I have about 14 of these pink roses, okay? And what I want to do is just make sort of like a floral crown all the way around. So I'm going to place these all the way around, and I know it's not enough to like cover all sides. That's where the other flowers are going to come in at. So I'm going to space them quite decently. I added the flowers all the way around, okay? So with the other gaps, I'm going to take these other flowers and add them all the way around my floral crown, all right? So next I'm going to take some Greenery. I got this from Dollar Tree as well, and I'm going to add some pops of this right to my floral foam to cover some of the inside up, okay? Here's what the floral crown on the bunny will look like once we've added flowers all the way around. If you do have any gaps, go back in with more flowers and fill them up, and I'll probably do that a little bit later, but that's what it looks like all the way around. So next, I'm going to take some tissue paper. I just got this from some other packages, probably like Amazon packages. I'm going to add them to the center of the Easter basket. So lastly, I'm going to take this Easter grass and I'm going to add it to the center of my basket. And for the final touch, I'm going to be adding these adorable little Easter eggs right to the center. Now you can place your eggs inside of these, or you can put candy inside of here, but it matched the bucket. It looks just like the bucket, so I felt like that was the mother and these are the little babies, so I'm just going to add them to the center of my centerpiece. And I do have 2 packs, so I'm just going to add all of them. So I'm going to add some of the pink to the center as well, just because I want the baby bunnies to sit up pretty tall. And here are the finished products, you guys. These are so adorable and cute. I love it. If you enjoyed today's DIY, be sure to subscribe as well as hit the notification bell. Let me know what you guys think. Did you like it? Did you love it? Comment below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you have an amazing day. I'll see you really soon in another DIY. Bye.